Online uppercase, lowercase character converter, an excellent tool for anyone to change the character case of their text. Uppercase all characters right now, so we'll put some lowercase as an example. If you have lots of text, this is a great tool. We say change. Uppercase all thingies, preparing results, and we get all uppercase. Excellent quick tool. We can obviously do it to lowercase, change the things, everything else. Really quick tool. For more awesome tools that can save you time, please visit eternitytech.com/online-tools.